everyone. Today we will solve exercise 2.6. Solve the following linear equation. So question number 1 is here. 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. But observe, this is not a linear equation because the expression on the left hand side is not linear. But we can easily reduce it to linear equation. So we will remove this 3x. How? By transposing the denominator to the other side. 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3x. This 3x on the left hand side is dividing 8x minus 3. When it will be transposed to the another side, so it will multiply the numerator of the other side. That is right hand side of the other side, 2 into 3x. Now it is a linear equation. 8x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3, 6x. Now next step, transfer the term with variable to one side and the constant term to the another side. I am again reminding you that when you will transfer the sign terms, then sign plus sign will become minus and minus sign will become plus sign. 8x minus 6x is equal to 2x, that is equal to 3. Now we want to get rid of this 2 because solving the equation means we have to find the value of x. So this 2 is multiplying x here, but when we will transpose to the another side, it will divide this 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. Next question is, our next question is 9x upon 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Again, we will transpose the denominator to other side. 9x is equal to 15 into 7 minus 6x is the whole term. We will not only transfer 7 or 6x, but this is the whole term, denominator of 9x. So we will multiply 15 with this whole term 7 minus 6x. 9x is equal to 15 into 7, 105, minus 15 into 6, minus 6, minus 90x. Again transfer term with x to the another side. So 9x plus 90x. It will become plus 90 when transferred to the left hand side, and this is 105. So it is 99x is equal to 105. X will be 105 upon 99. 3 3s are 9, 1, so it's 33. 35 upon 33. Clear? And next question is, here in question number 3, both left hand side and right hand side are in fractions. So how we will solve this? By cross multiplication. So z multiplied with 9 and this z plus 15 multiplied with 4. Z plus 15 multiplied with 4. So 9z is equal to 4 into z. 4z plus 60. Now transfer the term with variable to another side and change the sign of the transfer term. So it is 9z minus 4z is equal to 60. 9z minus 4z. 5z is equal to 60. Again remove this 5 here. So z is equal to 60 upon 5 because 5 is multiplying here this z. So when transposed to the another side, it will divide 60. So answer is 12. Z is equal to 12. And next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. We will solve again by cross multiplication. Cross multiply 5 into 3y plus 4. The whole term we will multiply with 5 equal to minus 2. This whole denominator is multiplied by minus 2. 2 minus 6y multiplied by 2. 5 into 3, 15y plus 5 into 4, 20. is equal to minus 2 into plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 into minus 6 plus 12 and y. Same step, transferring the term with variable 15y, this 12y transfer to this side, so it become minus 12y, 12y is equal to minus 4 here, and we will transfer this 20 to the another side, so it is here with plus sign, another side it will become of minus 20. 15y minus 12y, 3y, and that is equal to minus 4 and minus 20 is how much? Minus 24. And y, you know very well, tell me how this 3 will go to the another side? 3 is multiplying y, so another side, yes, it will divide minus 24. So y is equal to minus 24 upon 3, that is equal to minus 8. Now question number 5. Question number 5. It's 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Now you are familiar how to solve this type of question? Yes, by cross multiplication. So 7y plus 4 multiplied with this 3 and this y plus 2 multiplied with this minus 4. We will cross multiply like this. 3 into 7, 21y plus 3 into 4 plus 12 is equal to minus 4 into y minus 4y, and minus 4 into 2 minus 8. Next step, tell me. Yes, transfer the term with variable to one side and the term with constant term to the another side. So here the term with variable is minus 4y. It's with minus sign here. When we will transfer this term to the left hand side, sign will change. So 21y plus 4y is equal to minus 8 minus 12. 21y plus 4y? Yes. 25y. Minus 8 and minus 12, both are of minus sign. So 20 with minus sign. So y here will be minus 20. 25 is multiplying y here, so it will divide this 20 another side. So answer is minus 4 upon 5. And next question is, now question number 6 is, the ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. हरी और हैरी की जो एज की रेशो है वो क्या है? 5:7. मीन्स लेट हरी एज 5x, then what will be Harry's age? That will be 7x, because ratio is given 5:7. Now he is saying 4 years from now, अब से 4 साल बाद, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So first of all we will find their age after 4 years. After 4 years, Hari's age. Hari is now 5x year old. Then how old he will be after 4 years? 5x plus 4 years old. And now how old will be Harry after 4 years? Harry now is 7x year old. Then after 4 years he will be 7x plus 4 years old. Clear? Ages of Hari and Harry 5x or 7x. Then 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. So till consider 3:4. Only after 4, I have find here after 4 year their ages. Hari's age after 4 year will be 5x plus 4 and Harry age after 4 year will become 7x plus 4. Now according to question ATQ, according to question means questions क्या कह रहे हैं? According to question, after 4 year their ages will be 4 year from now the ratio of their ages 5x plus 4 Hari age plus ratio Harry age. 4 year from now ratio of their ages. 4 year from now ratio of their ages. Hari age ratio Harry age is given 3:4. Clear? Then we can write this 5x plus 4 ratio in the form of 7x plus 4. And 3:4 means 3/4 in the division form. Same, the common step, what? Cross multiplying. 5x plus 4 will be multiplied with this 4 and this 3 will be multiplied with this 7x plus 4. So 4 into 5, 20x plus 4 into 4, 16 and 3 into 7x, 21x plus 3 into 4, 12. Transferring the variable term containing variables. So 20x, 21x here with positive sign, then we will transfer to the other side negative sign, and 12 as it is. Now 16 will become of minus 16. So 20 minus 21 minus x, and it is equal to minus 4. X will be minus cancel with minus, so x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 means Hari age 5 into 4, 20 year, and Harry age 7 into 4, 28 year. So Hari's age 5 into 4, 20 years, and Harry's age 7 into 4, 28 years. Clear? Now next question. Question number 7 is, now question number 7 here is the denominator of a rational number is greater than 2 numerator by 8. Suppose we have any rational number and condition is denominator of a rational number is greater than numerator by 8. It means denominator depend on numerator because denominator is greater than to numerator by 8. So let the numerator x, I consider numerator x. Now he is saying denominator of a rational number is greater than numerator by 8. So denominator will be x plus 8. So fraction numerator upon denominator. Denominator of a rational number is greater than by numerator by 8. So fraction will be, you can say rational number because denominator of a rational number. So you can write here in case of fraction rational number. Rational number. Now he is saying if the numerator is increased by 17, condition is numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is numerator, if the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased, denominator is decreased by 1, according to question. Numerator increased by 17. It was the numerator and I increased it by 17. And denominator is decreased by 1. Here it was the denominator x plus 8, and when this is decreased by 1, the numerator, the number obtained, new number, will become equal to 3 by 2. So we can find easily now x by cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 17, multiply this x plus 17 with 2, then x plus 8 minus 1 is, here x plus 8 minus 1 is x plus 7. So x plus 7 will be multiplied by 3. 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 17, 34. Then 3 into x, 3x, plus 21. Very easy to you now. That is 21 minus 34. Minus x is equal to 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, but with minus sign because term containing minus is greater. So minus cancel with minus, x is equal to 13. So new rational number, what will be rational number? X upon x plus 8 means 13 upon 13 plus 8. 13 upon 21. We did nothing, only replace the value of x with 13 because here I got x is equal to 13. So here in this rational number I replace the value of x. So exercise is over. Practice more and more. Clear?